Welcome back to Stiltner's Garage. I know we haven't been posting as much as we usually did because we've been busy doing stuff. And today we're going to be doing a oil change on the S2000. Usually if you will go on to YouTube to see how to do something, they will list a tool list. Well, this car, the way I've got it set up, no tools needed besides your oil, filter, drain pan, and funnel, if you choose to use one. I don't trust myself with a gallon jug on pouring without a funnel, so I got a funnel today. One thing you do notice we have, microphones. So you guys can hear us much better because we've been having to yell in our last video. And I stuck to my word. He shaved my head. It's growing back. Yeah. He does look the same a little bit. Yeah. Stop while you're there. If you're not subscribed, now would be the time to do so because when we hit 1,000, he gets to shave this off again and this. So, with that being said, if you're watching not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, leave us a comment. I would like you guys to please, I would be so happy if you guys were to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more banger videos, and comment what you would like us to do. Yep. So with that being said, this is going to be our new work corner over here. We need to clean up. It's a mess. But this is going to be the new area we work in. Yeah, we used to work like over there. But now we moved because this is where all our tools are and stuff. Yep. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get in, slide the oil pan under. I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil in the filter. The motor's hot. I don't want him to experience that kind of burn yet. So we'll get to it. All right, we're under the hood. Got a beautiful 2-liter. Right here's the oil filter. And then I've got the drain plug down there. The plug that I've got is like a twist lock design. So you push in and twist. This will be my first oil change with this twist lock. The one flaw that I see with it right now, it looks like it's going to store some oil in it when I close it back, so it's going to drip. I don't think this is going to last too long. So we'll go ahead and slide the drain pan under and start getting the oil changed. Oh. I feel like you're going to burn yourself. It might be warm. All right, we got the drain pan underneath there. And now we're just going to see how this fancy demofflager works. You push in, twist, and it releases. So right now we're draining oil. We're going to go ahead and pop this loose. Oh, no. Also, if anyone knows what these clips are called that holds this thing into place, it'd be greatly appreciated because I need some of them. We'll do a video on that too. All right, Jay, so while that is draining, we're going to go ahead and, All right, we're back. Phone decided to leave the chat, so I really need to get a new phone mount. So the oil's still draining. It looks like it's almost done. We're going to go ahead and pull this oil filter off, and I'll show him what else to be done because, like I said, all this stuff's hot. I don't want him to get burnt. So I will say I love these microphones. Downside is you're going to hear a lot of grunting and groaning and panting from me because I'm just a little physically unfit. Oh my. Oh, so Jace, usually what I do, I can't reach it, but the filter, there's a little tripod on this drain that the filter usually goes on, but I was too short for that. Where did my rag go? I left a rag in there just for me to clean my hand. Well, found my rag. Hold on. Well, he just lost his rag on accident. Nope, I got it. Oh, yeah, he found it. Yippee! Everyone that knows this knows the 10mm always runs away from you. Oh. And you never put the tool down where you last remember it. So, Jace, when you go to do a new oil filter, how I've always done it, people's got their own ways of doing things. But you're doing it this way. This is the way I do it. You want to show them? Well, I got to get stuff. We're getting it ready for you.
So I'll get my finger, I don't know if I'm in frame or not. I'm getting my finger of the oil. We're gonna go around the rim of it. Get that seal nice and wet. And hopefully it stops the oil filter from seizing.
What does that mean?
Getting stuck.
Oh. Okay. Good to know.
It's very crucial. If you skip this step, you might run into some problems.
Ah!
So now since I've done that, I'll take the oil that we've chosen for this car and I will go ahead and fill this filter up and then we'll put back in the car. Reason being is if you, and a lot of people do this, I'm not a fan of it. Again, this is everyone's preference. A lot of people won't fill the filter up and they put it on, and when you start your car, the oil pump will start filling the filter. Well, next thing you know, everything after the pump has no oil. Well, a car has a lot of moving parts in the motor. Without oil, there's friction. Friction causes metal, so on and so forth. It gets really expensive really quick.
And then bent.
Possibly.
Oh.
So let's see, like I said, on pan a lot. I'm sorry y'all have to hear this.
Do you need this?
Not yet.
Okay, tell me when you need it.
You want to talk about, I'm like freaking out right now. I'm pouring oil in the filter right above the car.
Ooh. I wouldn't recommend it.
Well, you know, I'm that guy. All right, so
You're that
we
guy.
got oil in the filter. We are now going to make a mess.
I'm scared.
Putting it back on.
Ooh.
This is why you leave the drain pan under it while you do this. Oh boy, yeah, let's struggle. I'm on camera now, let's struggle.
So, is it gonna get on?
Well, what you gotta do, buddy, you gotta make sure you don't want to cross thread it, because if you cross thread that little stub that sticks out,
It blows up.
no, well,
It blows
can
up.
happen.
Oh,
But
yeah.
if you cross thread it, you won't guarantee a seal for one.
Oh.
Two,
So
it'll
seal
leak.
gone. Seal gone and leak.
It'll leak, and to replace that threaded piece is not cheap, and it's not fun.
No.
I've yet to do it. I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
All right, since we got the new filter on there, I'll go ahead and close this back since I forgot to. So that way I don't lose none of my new oil. So that's closed. Now we're gonna get our funnel here.
Okay. This is the funnel.
Go ahead and
Put it right there.
put it right there. This is where you fill your oil at.
Oh, no. Spill all over the
I
engine.
just hope we don't spill it.
What happens if that would have happened?
I got a big mess, and whatever oil you forget to get, your car gets hot.
And blow up.
No, it'll just smoke a lot.
Oh, no. That's bad. Is it bad if your car smokes?
I mean, dude, this car smokes a little bit. She's got some miles on her.
Hmm.
But you don't want a lot of smoke. And you obviously don't want smoke under the hood. So let that get down toward the bottom of the block. We'll pull the dipstick out, we'll check it. Then we'll start it up, make sure there's no leaks.
And then?
The fun thing about fresh oil is trying to read it on a dipstick.
Yay.
You can't see it.
Oh, no.
Yep, needs another quart.
What happens if you would put too much oil?
The car will smoke. It'll run sluggish.
What does sluggish mean?
It won't run completely right.
Okay.
It runs, there's less performance in the car. It's not as quick.
Oh, no.
You can blow engine seals out. You
Oh.
can blow oil seals out. Same thing, different
Oh.
names.
Oh, no.
Right on the money.
Right on the money.
Means we're good, buddy.
Yay! Yippee! 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 Well, so I was happy to do this oil change video.
I was about to say, you're going to be happy you did the oil change. You learned how to do an oil change.
Let us read it.
Huh? All right, stand up here so we read it. Action.
So I was happy to make this another video for us.
Mm-hmm.
So you guys can watch another video. So you guys ain't bored it out. Waiting for another video.
Yep. So I'm going to try to keep to 1 to 2 uploads a month, maybe 3. I would like to do weekly uploads, but just the content to do weekly uploads is going to be hard for me to do at the moment. So right now it might be twice a month. I'm going to say the drops are either going to be on Sunday or Wednesday. With that being said, we really would love for y'all to smash the subscribe button for the ones that haven't. Hit the like button, ring that bell. That way you can watch us grow on this journey. We're new to this, guys. Just like everyone else, I've had comments of people asking, how do I get to YouTube? Grab that phone. Microphones are all right. Like I said, you're almost probably going to hear a lot of grunting from me. So they do pick up a lot more. But grab a phone, find a solid editing software, YouTube away. I mean, other than that, guys, this is the S2000. We did an oil change on it. Like I said, in the future is going to be the clutch master slave cylinder, the axle, and then some minor bolt-on mods on this car. We're going to call this one done. Let us know what you want to see.
Yeah.
What kind of content you want to see out of us, because I'll work on a little bit of anything and everything.
Yeah.
So if you want it to be just S2000, the box truck, odds and ends, just simple DIY, that's what we'll do.
Or just anything.
We got a big whiteboard over there we're adding ideas to. So help us with the ideas. Let's make this channel grow. Help us grow. Hopefully we'll get to know y'all. It's about to be the New Year's. One thing I love to see for January is 1,000 subscribers.
I would love to shave his beard.
Yeah. On top of that, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I would like to plan some sort of like a cars and coffee meet in our hometown. If that happens, look out. We're going to do a small cars and coffee meet.
So, I was happy to do this oil change filter and learn some stuff on how to do an oil change. And I would like you guys to comment ideas. So, from bolts to burnouts,
Stiltner's Garage.
Signing out.